In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete member pages in Wix. This process is straightforward but essential if you're looking to manage your Wix site effectively, particularly if you've decided to revamp your site's membership features or you're targeting a different user base. We'll be walking through how to delete the entire members area, which indeed removes all associated member pages. Let's get started. First, open your Wix editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you'd like to edit if you have multiple sites. Once your editor is open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find various tools to help manage your site. Click on Pages and Menu, which is typically located in this left panel. This section allows you to access all the pages you've created on your site, including hidden ones and system pages. Now scroll through your Pages and Menu section. Look carefully as you're looking for a section named Members Area. This area comprises all the pages that manage membership features like profiles, member-only pages, and more. It's crucial that you're sure about removing this, since deleting it will take out the entire ecosystem catered to your site's members. Once you've located the members area, look to its right-hand side for an icon with 3 dots, often represented as. Clicking on these dots will open up a drop-down menu, providing additional options related to the section or page you're working on. You're going to click on this and then select Remove Members Area. This choice initiates the deletion process for the entire members area, effectively removing it and every associated page. Given the importance of this task and its irreversible nature, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is Wix's way of making sure you're completely certain about proceeding with this action. Carefully review what you're about to do and click Confirm once you're certain that you wish to go through with it. This will finalize the process, and your members area, along with all its content, will be removed from your Wix site. And that's it. With these instructions, you've successfully deleted your members area within Wix. It's a significant change, so ensure that this aligns with your site's goals and intended user experience. Remember, you can always add a members area back if your strategy changes in the future. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website endeavors. If you have any further questions or need more specific guidance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help.